Alright, my friends, so it is time for us to go ahead and add some user experience once again to our application, and hopefully it's gonna be clean and also let's say easier for the user so he can read our user interface very easily. So the first thing first, our problem right here, everything it's crystal clear. We can see the price, we can see the title, the author, but I cannot see this mark right here or this property which is hot or not. And the problem comes from the image, not from the property. Okay, so that's why we want to focus on it. I want to go ahead and add another layer on top of my image. And let me show you what do I mean. Going back to our course item, I have told you that this image container will be a very handy once it comes to the style part, right? And now it is time for us to go ahead and add some style to it. So the image container, I'm gonna copy this class, and going back to our course item here before my image, I'm gonna paste it. All right, like this. Now what I will do, I will go ahead and add a layer on top of the image, because the image container, it is the div that is surround our image, so it will be on top of our image. So here I am just going to say background color. Let me show you what do I mean. I'm gonna say black. Okay, we can use the black one here, and here we can see nothing being changed. Okay, because we haven't did anything up to this point. Here what I will do, I will go ahead and select my image and change the opacity. So do opacity, and the opacity, it's a value between 0 and 1. In my case, I'm just gonna say 0.3. Switch back, we can see we have added a layer on top of our image. Very easy. Now we can of course modify this value like 0.7, 0.8, and it will change depend on your value. In our case, let's go ahead and say 0.5. I think it's a good option to go with. And also we can change the background color here for our izhar property. I think it is this one right here. If we set it to something like white and change the text to be black, let's see. I think now it's much nicer, right? And we can see it clearly. Feel free to make it red, blue, whatever you want. Okay, I'm not gonna focus on the style once again. Now another problem that you could notice is that, let me just zoom if I can see, we can see this space that's been added between the image and this div right here. This is a problem that is related to the images. Okay, and I really do not know the reason behind this problem, but I know how to solve it. Okay, so I don't know the reason, specific reason, but I know how to fix it. In order for us to fix this weird black area between our image and our content, switch back to the image and give it the display property to be block. Okay, switch back. We can see now we got rid of our weird space. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is how our code will look like. I am very happy with what we have did. Now of course, feel free to go ahead and modify your code, play around with values. I'm not gonna focus on the style at all. Okay, I really want to focus on the conditional rendering. I want to focus on rendering items using the map and so on. So this is how our code will look like. I think we have made it. It's a pretty good progress, and we have the exact same result. Maybe we haven't do some stuff, but I think I am happy with where we have it. So in the next section, we are going to focus on routing. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to show you the final result, and we are going to make a lot of progress in the next section, and you'll be amazed with what we are going to do. So thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in the next one.